Oh, so it's a full screen. Oh, that's kind of cute. So yeah, no, it's just I haven't seen this before. Crov made a big screen thing to commentate easier. Efficationist. Who's next on stream? We have Crov versus the Peb. The Peb of the Bull. Just let me actually get this correct. Crov versus Peb.
Stop battle!
This is winner's semis. So how are you doing, Carlos of the winner? So this might actually be a fun match. I wonder how, I haven't actually talked to, excuse me, I haven't actually talked to Pebble about how he's doing. Just do this, and this. There you go, that's great. Cameras are striking a lot. But yeah, Pebble plays Larry as per usual, and we've got Crov playing with both. Crov is doing good. What? What in the world? What has happened to Sir Pebbles? Okay, here we go. Maybe we're getting a start. But yeah, I can see. I think I see what's happening. I think Crov has actually learned how to somewhat deal with side B, but you know, Pebble's still good at killing people. That's like his main strength. It's just raw advantage state and getting killed. Okay, we got some neutral going. Yo, did they just shield back to back? Yo, Crov's doing good. I feel like we might be seeing either a game streak for Crov or just a straight up. Well, this is either going to be a 3-0 for Crov or it's going to be a game 5. I'm feeling that right now. Because I believe Pebble can step up. Just ooh, that sucks. That sucks.
Weaklings, a lot of them.
Makes sense because it has a tiny mouth though.
Stop the battle! Larry! Wolf! 3, 2, 1, go!
Anyways, we're here for game 2. We're having a lot of PS2 time. I mean, for myself first, Shovel was just kind of, just cause. But yeah. Yo, the armor? The armor on Minecraft. I mean, hey, there's 3 moves in this game that work like Junior side B, and it's Sonic's. Well, okay, there's 4 moves. And it's Sonic's 2 moves. It's minecart, and Jesus Christ, what's happening? This is. Yo! Okay, that would have been crazy. If that footstool had comboed into that, that would be in the clip. That would be in the clip of the stream. Yo. Oh, he respected him too much. That was a guaranteed for a lot of, just because he got the weak hit. Although there is 0 landing if you hit them. But I think that's if they have hit stun. I think they have landing. Oh! Should have just held in. truly learned how to deal with side B. You know, I think this is... I've personally at least been learning how to deal with side B for a long time, but I think... But it's only until it's only recently that I heard anything of how to properly deal with it, and that was from a chat stream about 2 weeks ago. And I think crov might be watching that too. So that's kind of fun. It's kind of fun. The Jake coaching streams really do be working. Why not? Why not? Oh, that would be the kill. So, yeah. crov is dealing with this side B. Okay, yeah, no, that's it's a classic and Pebble enjoys that. Everyone does this occasionally. I think the biggest problem Pebble's having right now is that he's getting spin out every time he's going for Minecraft, as some people mean it. Like, not every time, but like half the time. So he's getting, you have to win twice a lot. Just less than I do. In case you're wondering, side... Yo! Whoa! No way. Yo! Okay. I think the set is right now. Pebble is adapting, so let's see if he fixes up his side Bs, because that might be the killer. That might be the killer here today.
Stop battle! Whoa, Harry!
So we're getting town. This is a good stage for Junior, because Junior can actually get Zero to death with the top farms in both positions. It's like Junior's favorite stage. But I do not know if Pebble is able to do it. He's able to get Zero to death, but he does them off of reads, so he can do them on any stage. He's not exactly known for his extreme combo game. More known for just gamer. Oh, that was so close. The mix-up on the DI from crov though. Okay. Yeah, no, I feel like everybody does. Whenever someone lowers, and someone's like in the classical ledge dropping position, everyone just tries to get to position. It's like, sure it works. You can cover it so easily. Ooh, okay. Misses the strong move. What was that? That spin out went up. I've never seen that before. Maybe the jump side view. I don't know. Who knows? Okay, microphone is up. That would be an embarrassment. Okay, so we're even here. We're playing Smash 4. crov getting the first hit. We're seeing a lot of both of them are giving up center stage a lot. Pebble because he's trying to go in for the side B, and crov because he's just doesn't. He's trying not to get caught. And he's just refusing to take center stage. That is odd. I feel like, yeah, crov's Wolf is definitely being inspired by the Vodavi Wolf. Because he's enjoying his he's enjoying backwards movement. He's not doing dash back. So he must just, well, no, never mind. Yeah, no, he's mixing up both dash back and jump back, which is interesting. Ooh, another uppy hammer kill. Uppy explosion in uppy 1 into uppy 2? No, it's uppy 1 to 2 to 3. Really. That's just confusing. Explosion to hammer swing. Its explosion is quick with neutral though, and scrambles specifically. Ooh, that would be clean! But he wasn't ready. He was just not ready. Okay. Ooh, okay. Yeah, no. He's... Oh, yeah. Crov has been trying to go for the same edge guard that worked in game 1 and 2. But Pebble is ready for it now. Yeah, I cannot see... Oh, the weak! Oh, he died because of the air dodge, but he didn't have a double jump anyway, so if he did... So even if he didn't, he probably still would have died. So here we go for a game 4. Pebble definitely adapting here. I think my call out of it being game 5 might be wrong at this point. Because Pebble is gaining speed and traction faster than I was expecting.
3, 2, 1, go!
So, we're starting out with a Pebble. Yo! That traded? That was crazy! You can see on Pebble's face that he's shocked, that's for sure. Okay, so it's able to take this game. It's gonna have to go for a bit. It's gonna have to hit some of these back airs. He's gonna do that. He's just kind of... His problem right now is that he's just kind of giving up situations just to make sure he doesn't get hit, but he's... And then eventually when he does once his kill, he just kind of feels like you know what? It's a mixture of like trying to preemptively get the kills and not wanting, like, he's just not reacting to kills. He's only doing reactive stuff to try and kill. Oh, that the eye. It doesn't matter. He would have been dead anyways. Ooh, that was a good chance. And the eye. Making it awkward. Go for it. Okay, yeah. This is... Yeah, no, he's just not punished. Ooh, that was a good back air though. You never see anyone trying to kill junior that high. This is a bit too much. Oh shit, that nair? Hard hitting medium nair to grab. That was crazy. Just calling out the exact position. Oh. Okay, he's alive. He's alive. Yeah. Pebble going for the F smashes. Crov is just respecting. He's just respecting everything. Whoa. That sounds... Oh, no. Yeah, perfect. So it keeps its time, and then it was probably on its way down right when he... That's pretty good. Yeah. I knew he could get that. So yeah, he just wants to be freaking sure he gets. Grab, okay. Ooh, that was so close. He went slightly. Ooh, nice back. I feel like, okay, so he's finally actually going for a few more punishes once in a while. He's mixing it up now. Like, Pebble is still just going hard straight forwards. He's just kind of mixing up where he's going hard straight forwards. I mean, it works. Game 4, let's see, can Wolf beat this side being master of adequately forwards, I'd say. Probably not really forwards compared to most people. Yo, the back ears? The back ears? They do be nice if occasionally. Dude, I love the way that, like, what's it called? The little toy thing. Mega Koopa sound when it's just walking like it. It's really fun. This might be it. Never mind. That was a pivot grab? What the fuck? I mean, it worked really nice. That was amazing. That was amazing. Just being on the platform there, waiting for the side B, and being at a specific positioning that you could react with drop down back air. That was really good. I mean, it wasn't exactly a good side B by Pebble, but he's been getting a lot out of it. And like, crov has been showing that he's going to go preemptively for back air there, so him just either waiting a timing mix-up, which he has been doing, or actually just reacting with the back air. That was really good. Right, game 5. My core was actually correct. We were gonna go for my option select of either 3-0 or game 5 was correct. This is interesting. Crov has been improving at such an insane rate. Oh no! You hate to see it. Okay. We're gonna have to see if crov is able to mentally recover from this position. Okay. Oh, these are dead. That was an odd up. Generally used to see like a ABJ up air or just a full perfect up air or something. Oh shit! Just gun for it. Even with Pebble just F smash on 9% of the time, he just went for it. Okay, is he live? Yep. Ooh, okay. Ooh, perfect F smash. Yeah, I don't think crov has to believe in him. Well, maybe. I feel like he's just doing about the same as earlier, which makes sense. He hasn't amped up. He hasn't amped up. Ooh. Perfect spots on the laser for 2 hits, but I'm not gonna get that right. He's missing these kills. And Pebble is down. Pebble got the power up that game. Pebble got, like, after that SD, he got the power up. That was crazy. I'm gonna hand you a little bit to crov.